We're doing it on Omega. Okay, this is episode 354, part 1. This is DRYTRON versus Blackwing Phantom Knight. Whoa. How do I do? Nova Alpha. Linked it off for Linkaribo. Alpha Ben 10. Alpha's effect's gonna get Natasha. Ben 10's gonna get Ultimateness. Oh wait, what? Ben 10 got Diviner, I think. Diviner, send, Arclight, add, Medium Stratron for Natasha. Natasha's effect. Target itself gain life points to half of his attack. And for Verte, activate effect. Pay 2,000, copy Red Eyes Fusion. Fusion summon Dragoon, and I end my turn. Blackwing. What is that? Black Whirlwind, and then I negate, discarding Herald of the Orange Light and Allure of Darkness. He drew Troll and Lockbird. Set. Okay. Poison Wind. Add Trap. Whirlwind. And then what did he do there? Cut the attack in half. And for a Y-Strix effect. Special. Effects negate, 4 Strix. Rusty effect set, Fogblade. What the heck happened there? Okay. I'll return, special. And then he takes 400. Activate auto once per turn for Black Whirlwind. Oh, summons Ash. It's for Verte. Effect paid 2,000 for a Dragoon. He did a mistake here. He popped the Linkaribo, and then he tried popping the Dragoon, which... What? He attacked. Okay. I drew. I don't know what to get rid of here, but and he was gonna Fog Blade. He can't even target. He's going to Fog Blade his Anaconda, but I just negated it and discarded Ultimateness. So it gained the attack. Started Dragoon popping. Got the Nova for Zeta, and then Medium Stratron, decrease the attack, add back from grave. Alpha Zeta, get Draconids. Zeta tribute Draconids, add Ritual Spell, Beta Fafnir, effect dump Gamma. Medium Stratron. Ritual summon Ben 10, detaching from Fafnir. And Gamma tribute Ben 10, special summon Zeta, Ben 10's effect, and Let's Duel wins. That's part 1. Part 2, he got me in part 2. Okay, Black Whirlwind. Alright. Oh, I got 2 of them. Poison Wind, double, Black Whirlwind. Midnight Sun, South Wind, double Black Whirlwind. Okay. Arc Rebellion Xyz Dragon with 7,800 attack. And Rusty's effect. Setting the Fog Blade. Oh wow. Nova, I think you ashed me here, yeah. Alpha Tribute Natasha, and then I don't know why he in-permed me, that was unnecessary. I already got the effect, like, fuck. Reborn, Y-Strix. Go for the Verte. Just gonna Phantom Knights, rank up Magic Force for Raid Raptor, Ultimate Falcon. Wow. And then Rusty's effect here. What does it say? If a Dark Xyz monster by summon to discard points to while this monster is on the field, except during damage, you can target one monster, destroy it. Wow. And that's all I could do. And then Ultimate Falcon end phase. Inflict 1,000. Oh, what the heck? Just 2 rank. Okay. Okay. I went for infinity and oh my god. And it was game from here. Ultimate Falcon and then for Joe. And then finished off with Cyber Dragon Infinity. Oh. Third and final duel. Finally won the game. Round 3. Not the best hand here. Gamma, Tribute, Benten. Benten's effect. I get ashed. And then I was like, do I Orange Light negate? But no, I just let it go through because I needed, I would had nothing to for the Twin Twister. I sided in the Twin Twister. See, when I do these replays, you can't see what I side in, which cards I take out, which card I put in. did the good old-fashioned Dragoon play. A Lord of Darkness. I was thinking about negating it, but if he doesn't draw, if he doesn't banish a dark, he could send his whole entire hand to the graveyard. So I was like, yeah, let it go. He sent the Dark Magician, so probably no Dragoon play for him. He set, then activate Shade Brigandine. Okay, that was a normal summon. So that was a special summon. And for Wise Strix, and I was like, man, just Dragooned him. And just end his turn. Looking good so far. Got the Zeta. Popped. Didn't have an attack, so didn't burn him for nothing. Gamma Zeta. And then a bit of Fafnir. I dumped the ritual spell decrease, attack by 1000, add back from grave, activate ritual spell for Ben 10, detaching Zeta. Now I haven't used Zeta's effect yet. Zeta tribute Ben 10. Adding effect, add ritual spell Ben 10 gets tributed, add a light fairy, and then Diviner of Herald, activate effect. Sending Entis and popping that mysterious back row, which was that counter trap. And I went for a Boral Sword, battle, Boral Sword attack, Dragoon attack, and then Fafnir was gonna attack, but then I switched him, quick effect, and finished him off with Boral Sword. Finisher. Let's duel wins. See if we can, we can't look at his deck. So we go there, we go to decks, and he has it on private. I don't really know how to do that. Private your deck. Okay. Let's check out. We're at 167, 187, 178. Oh, we went up by 179. Comment, share, like if you saw a bit, sub if you liked it. See you guys.